You've completed this course. Here are some next steps for your LabVIEW learning. Now that you've completed this course, you can create VIs that acquire data from hardware, analyze and process that data, visualize the data in indicators, charts, and graphs, and log the data to a file. You can also implement a flexible sequencer for those tasks using the state machine design pattern. If you want to learn more file I/O techniques, launch the Advanced File I/O lesson. If you need to create end-user applications with lots of user interaction, parallel processes, configuration files, and an error handling strategy, then we highly recommend that you continue your learning and advance to the LabVIEW Core 2 course. To learn more about the LabVIEW learning path and the instructor-led, virtual, and online offerings that are available, go to the LabVIEW Skills Guide page on ni.com. There are a number of resources available on ni.com that you can use to continue your learning. Of course, the best way to continue learning is to practice the skills you've learned in this course. This course covered skills you need to pursue certification. NI certification demonstrates you have the skills needed to create high-quality applications with NI software and gives customers, peers, and employers confidence in your abilities. This course is also part of the NI Badge program. The NI Badge program helps you find learning resources and gain skills related to your projects. Track your knowledge growth with milestone badge assessments and professional certifications. To begin, test your understanding of engineering fundamentals and best practices using NI products with these free online assessments.